Hey all, my name is Arjun. Today I'm going to show you how to create color legend in Tableau for two different conditions in the same chart. How to create a two type of legends for single value in Tableau. And so this is a output that the final chart that you are seeing, and here this is the target attainment, which is sales by the target percentage, and then are given at quarter level from starting 2013 Q1 to 24 Q4 data. And suppose if you see, there are two legends are given here. So the first one is only Q2 KPI, so that is highlighted in this box, right? This is this values or the color of this bar are based on the only Q2 KPI numbers, and the rest are all quarters color of the bar are depend on the KPI legend. This box you can see here, let's say only Q2, let's say this is 13 Q2 greater than 80% is green, and 80 to 60% is amber, and then in the KPI it is 70% above should be green. Suppose if you take here, if you come to the second legend, it should be ideally green color, but it's showing amber. Reason is because of based on the condition on the first only Q2 KPI conditions. So even here anyway it is less than 50 and less than, both are same. So yeah, exactly right. If you see here, ideally it should be 70 to 50% should be amber here, but it's showing red, right? It's showing no, it's fine, both are fine. Yeah, it's this one you can compare here, how it is showing exactly the difference. Similar way this will also work. So I'll show you how you can create this kind of chart in Tableau. So this is mainly useful like when you have comparing the Q2 or Q3 numbers, like there will be a targets for Q2 there should be this much of attainment should be there, and this much. So or normally the company does well in this Q2 or Q3, the performance based on that you will compare, right? In that case this chart is useful. So I'll sure, let's create it now. First is quarter. You need to create a quarter. So I'll show you how I created the quarter. See, you have to write this kind of a calculated field to bring the quarter, because order date you have this, and I wanted in that text kind of format. So you can write it similar way. Take the year of this order date, and then you can add minus Q2. So I'll show you how it looks. It should come in this way. So you can write it like this. String, you have to give the string, or else because this Q is in string, and the both you have to write in a string. So when you are taking the quarter number plus adding Q2 and hyphen here, and then taking the year for that. So that way you'll arrive at this format of the quarter. Okay, you can create this quarter field and then drag it here. Take only data from Q4 to from 13 to 14. Okay, then you need to take attainment. I've said it right. So I'll show you. Create a calculated field, attainment, target attainment. So how I'm saying, sum of sales by sum of target, right? Put it in a percentage format. Take the bar now. Reverse it. Give an entire view. Okay. Let's show the labels. Fine. So now you need to create a legend. So I'll show you the legend, which let me create it. Legend for attainment. So how? The first one is if quarter of order date is equal to 2, then you should write like if target attainment is greater than 0.8, then greater than 80%, else if it is less than or equal to 0.8 and target attainment is greater than 0.6, then 80% to 60%. Else if it is less than or equal to 0.6, then less than 60%. Okay, you can end this. Else you need to write for the if not the quarter is not 2, then in that case you would write, I'll just copy this now, 0.7, else the condition is 0.7. Here it is 5, 70 to 50%, right, then can end it. So what's the wrong? Missing an identifier. Okay. Yes, your right is equal. Front. Aggregate and non-aggregate. str no okay, drag it here, color it now. See, this should be amber, this should be green, this should be green, I'll filter the show this single value drop down. Let's see for all is fine, I think. And accessories, appliance, so you can again change it. 82 fine. This should be red. This should be red. Okay, I think now looks fine, right? Yeah. So this is what, so this is how you will arrive at. Okay, and then if you want to see how you can create that box, square box for only Q2, I'll show you that. Okay, go to blank, take it floating, go to blank, this way you can drag it. After that you have to go to layout and border, choose this border. Similar way you can do it for for this also. Take the border. Yeah, so here actually this legends are the images I have taken. I've taken images, two static images. So because the numbers are not constant, or it is not, all numbers are not arriving, not coming, right? So because of that I've given a image, static image. So similar way you can do it even here also. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you understood what I've shown in this video. Thank you for watching.